You've probably seen tons of posts or stories on Instagram that say, comment guide and I'll DM it to you, right? Well, here's a little secret. This is one of the best ways to make your post go viral, boost engagement with your audience, gain followers, and promote exclusive content, all in one. And on top of that, there's no one behind the scenes replying one by one, or at least there shouldn't be. What they're using is a comment to DM automation. Yes, from comment to DM. And today, I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step with Easypromos, because it's one of the fastest and most effective ways to grow your account. It works like this. You offer exclusive content, tell your audience what to comment, and when someone comments a keyword like info or link, they instantly receive it by DM. So why are all the top creators and brands using this technique? Well, 3 powerful benefits. First, it boosts the number of comments on your post. Instagram's algorithm detects that spike, rewards it, and pushes your post to go much more viral. Second, by interacting with that user in a private chat, you're signaling to Instagram that you're close, so your future posts are more likely to show up at the top of their feed. And third, it's the perfect tool to deliver valuable content, capture leads, and gain followers automatically. Let's jump in, and I'll show you how to set it up. Go to easypromosapp.com. By the way, if you have any questions while setting this up, there's a super fast support chat available. To get started, click the button at the top right. Sign up in under a minute with Google, Facebook, or your email, or just log in if you already have an account. And that's it, you're in the user panel. Go to the top right and click Instagram Automations. Step 1 is connecting your account. How do we do that? Click Connect Instagram Account. And quick note, this is important, your Instagram account must be a business or creator account. Personal profiles won't work. Accept the usual Instagram access screen, and just like that, you're connected. And if you manage multiple accounts, you can repeat this process as many times as you need. For this video, we'll use our demo account, Zanikor. Let's go in. And as you can see, I already have an automation running, but you can have as many active as you want. Today, we're building one from scratch, so click the button at the top, Create DM Automation. You'll see how easy it is. And look, here we have 2 options. On the right, Story Mention. This is great for automatically sending a message or reward to users who tag your brand in their stories. But I'll explain that in detail in another video, so make sure you subscribe. Today, we'll choose the one on the left. Activation keyword. We select it. Now we're in the setup. It's super simple, just 2 steps. And on the right, you'll always see a real preview of how it looks on mobile devices. In step 1, we have the activator, the trigger, and the first thing is to write our keyword. In our case, it will be catalog. And right below, select Post Comments. If we leave it like this, we're creating an automation that's always active. What does this mean? It means that if someone writes catalog on any of your posts, an old post, a new carousel, or even a reel that suddenly goes viral, the system will instantly send them your catalog. Literally, you turn your entire profile into a lead generation machine that runs on its own. Sometimes this isn't always wanted. Sometimes we need to be more precise. If you click this Change button, the tool lets you select one or several specific posts. This is perfect for very targeted campaigns. Just imagine for a moment you're launching a specific product, an exclusive giveaway, or a Black Friday promotion. By selecting this option, you ensure that the automation only triggers on that post and will not get mixed up with the rest of your other content. But for today's example, we will leave it set for all posts. This way, we make sure we don't miss a single opportunity to send out our content. Now we get to the opening message. This is the first DM the user receives. Yes, that's right. The very first message sent automatically when the system detects the keyword in the comment. As you can see, there's a default message, but you can edit it completely. A great tip to connect better with your audience is to use smart tags to include the user's name. So if the user who comments is called JJ, the message will say, "Hi JJ." It adds a very personal touch, but it's totally optional. You only add it if you want that extra detail. You can also customize the button text, which currently says continue. And please remember that, as I mentioned before, all these changes are shown in real time in the mobile preview on the right. Once you have everything exactly how you like it, click the Save button. And then we will go to the top tab to Step 2, Messages. In the Type drop-down, select Send a Single Message. Now this part is important. We've got 3 key options here. The first one is, check this out, Followers Only Access. This is a powerful trick because if you activate it, you're telling Instagram that if someone who doesn't follow you comments on your post, they'll need to follow you first to receive the content. And yes, this is a great way to grow your followers, so turn it on. Don't be shy, turn it on, because what we want is growth. As well, you can also fully customize the automated message shown to users who aren't following you yet. By default, it says something like, "Follow us to access this content. Once you do, tap the button below to continue." As you can see, the default text gives you an idea of what to write. For example, we can write, "I'm following now." And look at the mobile device preview. It updates instantly. Now let's move to the second option where you design your final message. You've got several formats: plain text, text with a button, or a card with a button. For this example, we'll use text with a button. Here, you can define both the button text and exactly what action it performs. But what can we do here? You can add an external link. For example, imagine you're a YouTuber. You can ask users to comment "video," and the button takes them straight to your YouTube link, or an offer, or your landing page, or anywhere you want. You can also choose File Download, which is perfect for sending a PDF or high-quality image directly. Or you can connect it to an Easypromos promotion. But hold up, this option has so much potential, it's better we cover it in another video. And finally, but also really powerful, the third option, the after-action message. This feature allows you send an automatic message to say thanks right after the user clicks the button. Let's go to the settings. Let's give the new automation a title. Let's click Save and then Exit. Now look what happens when we go back to the panel. Right above it, you'll see this new one in pending status. And to make the magic happen, all we have to do is click Start, and that's it. From this moment on, and completely automatically, anyone who comments the word catalog on any of your posts will receive your content instantly. It's that easy. And now you have your automatic sales funnel running 24 hours a day. Now let's see what this looks like for a real user by using our demo account called Zanicor. We post an image of a woman with our catalog and write the following: "Comment catalog and I'll DM it to you." That way, anyone viewing your post will know that if they type the word catalog, it will be sent directly to their Instagram DM. So, look, a user does exactly that, comments catalog. And look at this. They instantly receive a direct message from the brand. The automation has been triggered. No one sent that message manually. It's all handled by Easypromos automation. And of course, when the user opens the message and sees the brand asking them to tap Continue, they tap and then can download the catalog. So now user taps Continue. But now look, check this out. The system detects that this user isn't following the brand's Instagram account. So it sends an automatic message asking them to follow first. The user goes to the profile, taps Follow, goes back to the chat, taps I'm following now, and then the magic happens. Now the system recognizes them as a follower and they can access the catalog. The user taps the button Download, they can download the file or visit the website, and as a final step, the brand can send another automatic message to continue the conversation or even close a sale. As you can see, comment to DM automation with Easypromos isn't just about saving time, it's also about growing your account. You gain visibility, boost interaction, and turn casual viewers into loyal followers and potential customers. Start boosting your Instagram reach today. Click the link that I've put in the description and try it free for 7 days. See you in the next video.
Check it out, Easypromos makes it very easy.